I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public post in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. This is where you'll start creating your content. Next, record a new video or upload one from your device's gallery. Once you have your footage, you can add creative elements like sounds, effects, and text to make it engaging for your audience. After editing your video, you'll reach the post screen. Here, it's crucial to adjust your privacy settings to ensure public visibility. Look for the option that says who can watch this video. Tap on it and select everyone. This step is essential because it allows your video to be seen by all TikTok users, not just your followers or friends. Now, let's optimize your post for maximum reach. Write a clear and engaging caption that tells viewers what your video is about. Don't forget to include relevant hashtags. These are vital for discoverability and help new audiences find your content. You can also tag other users or add a location if it enhances your video's context and appeal. Before you hit publish, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your caption, hashtags, and especially your privacy settings to confirm it's set to everyone. Once you're satisfied, simply tap the post button. Your video will then be shared publicly on TikTok, ready for a wide audience to enjoy and engage with. Congratulations, you've successfully posted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.